Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my profit stream review where I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Paul's product where it comes to basically making money on YouTube using a method I have never heard of before. This is a very unique product to say the least, and I also have a really cool bonus if you're one of the first 5 people to pick up Profit Stream and the first OTO. So that's going to cost you a total of roughly $50. In that case, you're going to get access to my upcoming high ticket product, which will be somewhere between $1,000 and $2,000. So let's get started right away. Alright, so before we take a look at the members area, which is where we're at right now, I will go through what it is that Paul is actually going to teach you. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at the sales page to see what Paul himself says. And it says this: turn neighborhood events into a lucrative live streaming business. Turn your camera into a local cash machine. Discover how to live stream events and score a steady paycheck every time. Now, I'm not going to go through the sales page any more than this, but I would recommend you take a look at the sales video where Paul's going to talk a little bit more about this. But in short, actually, I will read a little bit more. I'm going to read this one as well. So turn side hustle streams into steady payouts. No big audience, no fancy gear, just local events and easy earnings. So in short, what this is, it's actually kind of explained here in the headline. So it's actually pretty transparent on what it is. But how you're basically going to make money, let's just go to the members area again, is by live streaming events that are happening basically in your city. So Paul has been doing this. I think last month he said he made around like $400 from YouTube AdSense alone, and he has got other income streams as well that he's using to make even more money. So this could be, for example, actually, I probably can't talk about that, but there are other ways to make money with this as well, except just the actual live streaming bit. But in short, very cool stuff. And let me see how much I can actually show here without, because I obviously don't want to reveal too much, but we can see here, so what is live streaming and why it works so well. So in short, why this works so well and how you can actually use this to get your account monetized very quickly. And what that basically means is on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you are accepted into the partner program. And the way that this works is that Paul can basically do a live stream of an event in his city, and he can have this video be anywhere from like 1 to 2 to maybe 3 hours long, and people tend to watch these live streams for way longer than a regular video. So I saw some of the stats from within Paul's YouTube account, and it was unlike anything I've ever seen, because most people who upload videos on YouTube, like whether the video is 2 minutes or 20 minutes long, most people, like, you can't really get more than 3 to maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes of watch time at most. For me, on my own channel, even if I upload a video which is like 8 minutes, or I'll upload one which is like 20, the average watch time is still going to be somewhere between like 3 to 5 minutes. People just don't really have the attention span anymore. But with what Paul is doing, he showed his stats and he said that his average view duration for his videos is around 16 minutes, and he's got thousands of views here. So basically, a few of these live streams could get your account monetized, which is really cool. And not only when you get your account monetized, like, you will get a pretty decent amount of money as well, because people are watching for so long. So rather than YouTube, basically, if you just try and make like a comparison, someone watching a video for 2.5 minutes, depending on what niche it is, of course, like I'm in the finance niche, like make money online, so the RPM, basically what I get paid per 1,000 views, is pretty high. But if you're in a lower paying niche, but you get someone to watch for like 16, maybe even 20 minutes instead, it kind of matches that anyway. So you can just go out and basically make these kind of live recordings around your city, or if you want to go somewhere else, you can do that as well. Now, please note that I'm not talking about you being able to go to an NFL game or an NBA game, for example, and live stream that, because that is not allowed. These are basically smaller things, and it's not just like sports necessarily. There are other things that Paul is going to talk about here as well. He's going to show you what equipment you need, and in short, the basics of what you really need. You pretty much just need your phone and a tripod, and then there are optional things that you can get as well. So like, for example, if you want to get like some kind of microphone, maybe you want to do some commentary, things like that, you could do that as well. How to then set up your first live stream, and there are simple ways to do it, and then there are slightly, like, you could say better, I guess, and more advanced way of doing it. So Paul will go through everything here, and then also like growing your audience, improving the quality of your stream. So there are certain ways that you can do, like you can get started for very cheap with, as I said, basically just your phone and a tripod, and then you can improve everything if you want to get like a computer with something called OBS, and you can get a better microphone, of course, things like that. And then also how to monetize your live streams, building your audience, and then an exit strategy as well, so how to take yourself out of the process and profit. So that is basically what the front end is going to be like. Now I'm going to show you this as well, and then I'll talk about my bonus as well, which is going to be access to my upcoming course, which is going to be priced somewhere between 1,000 and 2,000. To be completely honest, I haven't 100% decided yet. It could end up being more, it could end up being a little bit less, but as of right now, I'm thinking somewhere around there. So anyway, upgrade number 1. Now this is the one that you have to get, or to be honest, I don't care. You can get upgrade 2 and 3 if you want, but you have to get upsells for at least like $37. So that would be that one, or if you want to get these two, that's fine. Or if you want to get this one, other ones as well, by all means. But then you're going to get access to my upcoming product if you are one of the first people to do this. You have to buy the front end, and you have to buy at least upsells for $37, either OTO1 or any of the others basically. So I mean, if you want to buy this one for 17 and this one for 27, like you can do that as well, that's fine. But at least $37 worth of upsells is what you're going to have to purchase if you want to get that. And as I said, this is for the 5 first people. I will make an announcement, or maybe I'll just remove this entire video by the time that I have 5 people, because I really don't want to. And if you just look at this from my perspective, because I know some people might think like, oh yeah, so it's going to be 5, and then you're going to say, well, I decided to extend this for another 5 people. No, and the reason is very simple. Why would I want to give away access to a course that I'm going to price at 4 figures for something that I'm going to make like $30 in commissions for? I'm not going to do that, because when you see the sales page and when you hear everything that I'm going to explain, like what is going to be included inside of Ascend, as you can see here, this is going to be the logo, then you're going to want to buy it anyway. So if I give you, or if I were to give 10 people access to this, then that's 5 people that I might potentially lose out on that would have probably purchased, or well, I'm not going to say probably, but that might have purchased. That could have been like maybe $2, $4, $6, $8, $10,000 that I'm just throwing away basically. So no, 5 people will get access to this, and then that's it. So as I said, I'll either just make an announcement maybe in the on the YouTube. I might change the title to like bonuses sold out, or I'll send an email, I don't know. But either way, you will somehow know that this is no longer available. I don't know how fast it will sell out, or if it will sell out at all, to be completely honest. My email list, very inactive. Like I haven't really promoted things in a very long time. I mostly just sent out like free value videos, so they don't really want to buy anymore. So we'll see. Maybe it will sell out in the first 10 minutes. I have no idea. Maybe it will not sell out at all. We'll see. But if you feel like you want to get access to my course, which is most likely going to cost between $1,000 and $2,000, and include some really cool stuff, I would suggest you to buy it very quickly. Profit Stream is launching on the 19th of December, so Thursday the 19th of December at 9 a.m. EST. I will be sending out an email. If you're watching this on YouTube, I guess set an alarm or something for 9 a.m. EST when it goes live. I'm going to have my link in the description below this video. That is going to be my affiliate link. As of right now, when I'm making this video and when I'm uploading it, there's not going to be a link there at all, but by 9 a.m. EST on the 19th of December, my link will be there. And as I said, the first 5 people. And if we just go through this a little bit, it's upgrade number 1. You can pretty much just pause your screen if you want to see. But yeah, so you're going to learn about an additional 3 income streams. So how to use 3 income streams to profit from your channel and live streams. 3 very profitable revenue streams, which I have been using. So I being Paul. And then upgrade number 2 is the next level live streaming. How to take your live streams to the next level and set up a mini broadcasting show so you can start charging high-end prices. Nice. Mind map and a detailed look into the setup and what equipment to buy. Cool. So $27 for this. So I'm not going to read. You can just pause your screen if you want to. We probably already read it. $27 for this one for upgrade number 3. And then you get live stream coaching. So work with me full-time for 1 week. So again, me here being Paul. And he will help you get set up, choose a niche, get the equipment, set up your first live stream, and give you a full plan moving forward. Cool. $697. And then no clue what this is. Coffee shop income monthly. Make money online, members only site. No clue. $17. And then income lifetime. Make money online. I don't know what this is either, to be honest. But yeah, that is basically it. So again, if you want to get access to Ascend, you have to be one of the first 5 people. Purchase the front end and purchase upgrade number 1, and you're going to get that if you are fast. And that is pretty much it. So as I said previously in another video that you might not have seen, Ascend is currently, as of me making this video, not ready. I don't have all the videos. In fact, I don't have a single video. On Friday, I'm checking into a hotel for 2 days where I'm going to record the entire course. Hopefully, I'll have a temporary members area set up within a week or so. I'll try and get it done as soon as possible. But yeah, either way, I'm going to send you an email when that's ready to the first 5 people get it. So it's very important that if you decide to buy this and the upgrade and you want the first people, send me an email immediately. I'll drop the email under this video, where it's jonaslindgrenbusiness@gmail.com. Send me an email and let me know that you purchased it. Show me your receipt so that I know, and then I will save your email there. And then as soon as this is finished, as soon as Ascend is finished, I will send it out to you. And then I'm looking forward to getting a testimonial for you. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.